Big breaking news that's coming in, and a big setback for Arvind Kejriwal. The Delhi High Court has ruled that there will be a stay on Kejriwal's bail order till the High Court takes up the matter. So for now, there's a stay on the bail order on Arvind Kejriwal's bail that was given by Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court last night, which means effectively till the High Court finishes hearing the matter and rules on this, Arvind Kejriwal cannot walk out of Tihar jail. So at this point, there's a pause on that particular order. They are hearing the details right now. The Delhi High Court is hearing it as we speak. So we'll have to see whether the hearing is wrapped up today. If it takes time, it means Kejriwal cannot walk out of jail today. Srishti Ojha is joining us with more details on this huge setback for Arvind Kejriwal. Srishti, the Delhi High Court is hearing the matter as we speak. But if the hearing, the arguments aren't completed today, it means Kejriwal can't walk out.
Well, definitely, Akshata, it is a setback because the High Court has stayed the proceedings before the trial court as far as the filing of deposition of bail bonds on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. What's important here is to note is, however, that the trial court's order granting bail has not been stayed per se. It has only been stayed till the time the court takes up the matter today. So, trial court's order granting him bail would basically be subject to what happens in the hearing, which can happen anytime soon now. What will be important to see here, Akshata, would be what aspect of the case will the High Court take up? Will it only consider the issue of stay on the order, or will it hear the entire matter in detail? The likelihood is for the court to first take up the issue of stay, because that's what ED has asked for as of now. That's their first relief. They have challenged the entire order, but as of now they've sought a stay to be imposed so they can avail their legal remedies, basically meaning that till the High Court eventually hears arguments from both sides on Arvind Kejriwal's bail and passes a final order. According to ED, the bail order that was passed yesterday should be stayed. So a very important hearing before High Court, a very crucial hearing for both Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, because it's the High Court hearing that will happen today, which will decide if the order will remain stayed and Arvind Kejriwal will not get out of Tihar jail today, or whether the court will refuse to grant any stay, and that will basically mean that Arvind Kejriwal would be walking out of Tihar jail.
The Delhi High Court is happening today, Srishti, but can we expect an order today? If that is delayed, then does that mean that for Arvind Kejriwal the wait gets longer?
Well, the sense that we get from the hearing that has happened till now, Akshata, is that the aspect of stay is likely to be considered first. The entire detailed hearing, it's practically possible for the court to finish it today. So, what we are understanding from the hearing that has happened till now is that the court will first take up the issue of whether or not a stay is needed as of now on the trial court's order granting bail to Arvind Kejriwal, because even ED before High Court as of now has said that the order should be stayed for now, because that's a request that they had made before the court yesterday also, but the same was not allowed. So first the aspect of stay would be considered, and eventually the High Court, considering ED has already filed the matter before High Court, eventually the aspect of Arvind Kejriwal's bail will be considered by the High Court. They have to consider it, considering ED has already filed a petition challenging it.
So the Delhi High Court will decide. The Delhi High Court will decide whether Arvind Kejriwal gets bail or not. But for now, remember, the hearing is happening by the Delhi High Court today, but for now Arvind Kejriwal's bail order cannot be processed, which means that there will be a further delay in his release in Tihar jail, even if his bail is given a go-ahead.